Hi, this is the Therapeutic Gardener, and this video is about how my husband built me a raised garden bed from start to finish. I hope that you enjoy it. My husband built me a raised garden bed from start to finish. It's about a 3 foot high garden bed and it's 30 cubic feet. And these are some of the materials we used: raised bed soil. We also used sand to help with the drainage, and we used topsoil on the bottom of the raised bed. You could fill your raised bed with many other things. You don't have to use topsoil. We chose to use topsoil because it was actually the cheapest material to use. Although we'll never plant anything that will grow roots that deep, we felt that the topsoil was the best buy for our money. So what you'll see is that he used parish stones to build one level at a time, and as he went, he put the soil in to keep from having to lift very heavy bags. He had to chisel the stone so that we could have a staggered look and to allow for drainage. He did glue in between the layers of each row, but not in between each stone that was stacked next to each other. Now you will see that the raised garden bed is almost complete. He still has to put in more soil, and he's kind of doing some finishing touches here. After he completed it, I mapped out what you call a square foot garden. So I just mapped out my square foot gardening grid pattern. As you can see, it's 12 by 12. The squares are good squares, although the stakes may be a little bit crooked. This took me about 45 minutes from start to finish to stake it out, measure each 12-foot square, and then to put the twine around each stake. And originally I thought that I would take the stakes out after I got my grid pattern, but actually I really like these stakes and I'm going to keep them in and use them as labels to label each item that I put in my garden. So as you can see, there's now things planted in it. I made sure that I planted some flowering plants as well as vegetables. I actually was waiting for my seeds to come, but I did plant, in addition to Latania and Celosi, I planted some spinach, some carrots, some beets, what else? Some broccoli and sweet peppers and some Thai chili peppers. I started the Thai chili peppers, the broccoli, and sweet peppers indoors, as well as starting it directly sown into the garden because I wanted to see which would do best. Come to find out, the ones indoors actually did best. You'll see the irrigation system there. I actually wound up taking that out because I didn't think it was suitable. One, it was taking up space in the squares. The other things, it wasn't quite getting the entire square wet enough. I felt that the water was dripping downward instead of across, and it was only dripping downward in one specific area, so not across the entire 3 foot span of the garden. I had to do some modifications. One was the irrigation system, taking that out. You'll see later that those are the seeds I started indoors, the Thai chili pepper, sweet peppers. So here you see that I had to combat the squirrels. They started digging in my brand new garden. And I had to also combat the pests. That's some type of caterpillar. And as you can see, I have white gardening cloth over my vegetables to protect them from the pests. Beautiful rosemary, beautiful thyme. So this is the Therapeutic Gardener, and I'm signing off. I'm just getting started with YouTube, and I hope that you like this video and subscribe if you want to see more.